Hi students, today topic is requirement. Requirement is important process in software engineering. Requirement is not well defined before starting the project, cannot be able to deliver the product or project in time, and also leads to lack of quality of the project. Many problems things are to be faced if requirement is not well understood. Okay, now we'll see about what are the types of requirement. Functional and non-functional requirement. As I said earlier, right, it is an essential process. Requirement is essential process. Enable the success of the system or software project to be accessed. Now we'll see about functional requirement. Functional requirement define the specific behavior or function of your system. Well, let us see example. What are the features what we needed to design for the system? Okay, and the features like input, output, some process functionalities like insert data, update data, delete data. So many things are there, right? Checking the login credentials. These are the features comes under functional requirements. The second thing, non-functional requirement, specify how system perform a task, focusing on attributes. Attributes such like performance, scalability, security-wise, and usability, user-friendly or not. So those are non-functional requirement features. Okay, example, each request should be processed with the minimum latency. Checking the performance of the system, how system is responding to the user within the minimum time. Okay, that feature is comes under non-functional requirement. Okay, now we'll see about one examples online banking system. Functional requirement list out some features. One feature is users must be able to log in using the username and password. The second feature like users should have access to view their account balance. Third one, users should receive notification upon completing the transaction. Many requirements we plan, okay, while developing the product. But according to the time constraint, so I listed only three features in functional requirements. Now let us see non-functional requirement features like the system must be respond to the user interaction within 2 seconds. I mean, checking the performance of the system. All transactions should be encrypted. A very important feature this, according to the online banking system, and should be follow to industry security standards. Okay. Now, system performance when 100 million user are connecting to the system at a time, checking the maintaining minimal downtime also. Okay. So these three features comes under non-functional requirement. Now we'll see about classification of software requirements. First one, user requirement. This requirement describe what the end user want from the software system. User requirement have to be understood by the end user, but customer who do not have the technical backgrounds. Second one, system requirement. System requirements specify the technical characteristics of the system like architecture, hardware requirements, software component, and interfaces. Okay, interface like how system can be interfaced with another system and database, web services, those are interface related. Okay, system requirements are more detailed requirement and which includes more technical information also. Okay, so this thing, right side, we see about different readers, left side, see about classification of requirement. So readers, client managers, system end user, client engineers, contractor managers, and system architects. Those readers can access user requirement. System end user, client engineers, system architect, software developers can access system requirements. Okay. Now we'll see about interface requirement. These requirements specify the interaction between the software system and external system or component. As I said earlier in previous slide, right? How system can interact with other system like database, web services, and the software applications. Thank you.